Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video we're going to be changing out the wiper blades in a Mercedes Benz C-Class. This is a C180, it's a 2012 model. Now it is really easy to do, so every couple of years it's worth changing them out, or if they start failing on you, if they start smearing your windscreen, or if they start dragging across the glass rather than a nice sweep, it can be because the rubber starts to go hard after being under the UV rays of the sun for many years. So I got these ones. They're not, I didn't get them from Mercedes, I got them for Euro car parts in the UK. They were just over 30 UK pound, but they're Bosch, so they're a good quality one, and both of them are the same size on this car here. You can see they're both 600mm. So let's swap them out. Right, so with them it doesn't matter, there's no left and right, they both will go on both sides, and it's so easy to swap them out. So we're just going to lift up the wiper blade here, and all we have to do is rotate it and just lift it off. As simple as that. Now with this it will stay in place, but it's best just to hold on to it just in case that was to swing back and hit the glass. Now with the new one, you can see the curve of it like that. Just spin it round onto there, fully on and down into place. So easy to do, just into the hole like that and spin it round, and it's this part here that stops it from coming out. So now let's do the other side. Spin it out, hold on to it so it doesn't drop on your glass. New one, in and on. And now we'll just test them. Okay, so now let's test them out. Ignition on. Ah, lovely. Perfect, nice and quiet. Now let's wet the screen. And you can see now, lovely and silent. So my last ones were really starting to drag across the screen. So it's such an easy job to do. It's a shame getting Mercedes to do that when you can do it yourself so easily. So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.